Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth, located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and Tibet, China. Its peak reaches an elevation of 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, above sea level, making it the highest point on the planet. Mount Everest is also known as Chomolungma in Tibet and Sagarmathai in Nepal. The first successful ascent of Mount Everest was made by Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, on May 29, 1953. Since then, thousands of climbers have attempted to climb Mount Everest, with varying degrees of success. Despite its popularity, climbing Mount Everest is still a dangerous and challenging undertaking, and climbers must be well prepared and experienced to undertake the